Hello everyone, I'm Mula Simone, a hyperrealist portrait artist and a full-time professional. My works have been featured by outlets such as Lad Bible, People Are Awesome, Power of Positivity, and many others, and have been praised and shared by celebrities like Viola Davis and Will Smith. In recent years, I've had the privilege of seeing my artwork appreciated and collected by people all over the world. From a young age, drawing has always been my greatest passion. I don't come from a family of artists, and I never attended art schools or academies. Everything I've learned, I taught myself through countless hours of practice and study and hard work. My journey has not been easy. There were moments of struggle, frustration, and uncertainty, but I always believed in my dream and worked relentlessly to achieve it. Over time, I developed my own unique method, refined through trial and error, which allows me to push the boundaries of hyperrealism and explore new creative possibilities. I've decided to start a Patreon to make hyperrealist drawing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Artistic education today can be prohibitively expensive, and not everyone can afford art schools or academies. Since I couldn't afford such training, I learned on my own, facing numerous challenges and making many mistakes along the way. With my Patreon, I aim to provide clear and direct guidance based on my experience to help you avoid the challenges I faced. My goal is to build a community where we can grow together, sharing knowledge, techniques, and mental approaches essential for hyperrealist drawing. On my Patreon, you'll gain access to exclusive content designed to refine your skills in hyperrealist portraiture. I offer theoretical lessons that provide a solid foundation for tackling hyperrealist drawing. These lessons are designed to give you in-depth preparation, allowing you to approach portrait challenges with greater competence and confidence. In addition, you'll find practical lessons that guide you step by step through both fundamental and advanced techniques in hyperrealist portraiture. These practical sessions will help you develop your personal style and perfect your skills. What I consider even more valuable is teaching you to see like an artist. I will help you filter out the superfluous and focus on the essential elements of the creative process. My goal is to equip you with the tools and knowledge needed to draw portraits with awareness and authenticity. In addition, I plan to create simple exercises to help you develop your artistic skills. Think of them as homework that will allow you to put into practice what you've learned and reinforce your abilities. You will also gain access to exclusive content that takes you behind the scenes of my creative process, allowing you to see how my works come to life. Additionally, you'll have the opportunity to enjoy discounts and special promotions on prints and courses available exclusively to my supporters. Thank you for watching my video and discovering my Patreon. If you're ready to bring your ideas to life and enhance your art, I invite you to join me. I look forward to starting this journey together. See you soon.